In this lesson, we'll learn about fixing broken project file links. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's say you're working in the timeline here and you're using a lot of different videos, photos, or other types of media that are all located in different folders, perhaps on your hard drive or even on a network. You could run into some problems if those folders get moved around or the actual files that you're using get moved around. And so let's look at an example. We're going to go ahead and go to File, Open, and we're going to go ahead and open 05_end, and that's basically where we created our tropical themed video project earlier in this course. And so what Photoshop is giving us now is a dialog box basically saying it can't locate 3 of the videos used in that project, okay? And it says right there, cannot locate missing media. So if we just go ahead and click OK, we're still taken back to our project, but if you look in our layers panel, those 3 videos that we use, they all have that little exclamation point kind of icon located in the thumbnail of each one of those layers. So if we come down here to our video timeline panel and we scrub through, we can see that the video of our turtle is just a still image. The video of our beach, again, still image, and even that time-lapsed sunset video. And so what happens if we tried to render this out, we would get something that looks like this. And so again, it just looks terrible. It's remembering some parts of the final project, like the logo moving, but everything else is completely lost. And so we don't want that. So we can go ahead and just close this out. We're going to click no for sure. We don't want to save any of those changes. So if we come back up to File, we're going to go to Open again, and let's try and reopen that file one more time. So we're back here in our dialog box again where it's saying it can't find those videos. We have the option to choose the new folder where those videos are perhaps located. So if you spent some time looking through your hard drive and you figured out, oh, this is where I put all of these different videos I was using, you can go here to choose. And in this case, I placed those 3 videos just in a new folder. And so we can just click on any one of these, and since all 3 of these videos that are missing in this case are all in the same folder, it's going to recognize that. So we can go ahead and click Open, and you see how we get a check mark for all of these. Now if your videos are again in all these different folders, you may get check marks only for some of them. So if we click OK, we can see that those exclamation points are now gone in our layers panel for those different videos. And if we scrub back through our timeline here, we can see that everything has been restored to its original state. So it's just something to keep in mind as far as your workflow. I personally like to just gather all of the media that I'm going to use and just place it into one folder. So in the case of our project files, everything should be located in just a referenced folder. So everything that you will need will be in that folder. So if you run into a problem where you're getting that dialog box, locate that reference folder and source from those different files that you need depending on what project file or what lesson that you're on. So thanks for watching this course. I hope you found it useful. Again, the timeline in Photoshop is pretty cool, whether you're working in the video timeline panel or just the frame-by-frame, frame-based animation panel. While it's not as extensive as something like After Effects, you can still do some pretty cool stuff, like our little project that we created here. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.